is up, guys? Let's do another video. And today we're going to be doing a repost of my Aeromexico Boeing 787-9. I know a lot of you have commented when I got 23 subs, but now since I'm at 77, I'd like to thank all of y'all for subbing. And yeah, before I get started, make sure to do the 3 steps. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure that notification bell is on and ringing. Make sure you follow my Instagram at @AllBePleaseOneTraveler. And the 3rd step, share my channel with others and make sure that they hit that. Sorry, guys. Make sure that they hit that subscribe button and make sure that they have their notification bell on and ringing. Let's get started. Let me set the camera up at a different angle so you guys can see.
Little bit of applesauce.
Sorry about that, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and make sure to do those 3 steps that I said in the beginning of the video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.